Here we are today at 219 Purchase Street, one-bedroom apartment that I'm going to show you. It's located on the first floor. Don't judge the grass, by the way. It's been growing like weeds. We've had some great weather. Let's continue with the good weather and we'll get it cut. Let's go take a look at this apartment. Welcome to this one-bedroom located at 219 Purchase Street in Fall River. First thing I noticed when I walked in here is the beautiful hardwood floors. You don't see this style every single day. The high ceilings, perfect for your Christmas tree right in the middle of the 3 windows. I want to show you this apartment today, so we're going to start at the bedroom. Let's go take a look. Here we are in the bedroom, great size, gorgeous walk-in closet. I'll take you in here in 1 second. It's got 2 windows, plenty of sunlight. You can fit big furniture in here, and that's important to a lot of people. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. So here we are in the walk-in closet, and what a great feature. You've got a closet in the walk-in closet for extra storage. Let's go take a look at the size of the living room. So coming out of the bedroom, we're in this great size living room. And another great feature I want you all to look at is the huge walk-in closet. Follow me. So here we are in the closet, plenty of space for activities, if you would say. I'm gonna take you to door number 1 on this side of the apartment. Let's see what's behind door number 1. First amenity, washer and dryer hookup. Essential nowadays. You don't gotta lug your laundry to the laundromat. You've got it right here in the apartment. Here we are in the kitchen. You've got beautiful countertops, white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. I love the accent wall with the brick. It's amazing, and it's got enough room for a small table for your family. Refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, and microwave. All the essentials that you need. And here we are in the bathroom. As I said, everything has been updated here. You've got your sink, you've got your little vanity, you've got the toilet, and you've got this beautiful shower. And the last amenity that I wanted to show you is the circuit breaker in your apartment. Even though the electric has been completely updated in this unit, but God forbid you pop a breaker, you don't gotta go to the creepy basement. It's right here in your apartment. So if you're interested in this apartment at 219 Purchase Street in Fall River, go to rentinfallriver.com and schedule your showing today, and I'll see you all here.